What's all that talking about? What you saying? What you saying? Uh-oh. Did all that talking give you the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups now? Are you playing with your cars at the table? Do you want your cereal? Here's your cereal. And your chocolate milk. Don't spill it on Daddy's papers. What happened to your cars? Did they fall down?
Yeah.
You want me to leave you alone where you playing?
You just stay on me.
Okay, I'll stay with you, buddy. Can I sit down with you?
Yeah.
Gabriel, what happened? You had an accident? You're standing on the potty next to the toilet with your toilet ring on the floor and you pooped in your pants. Gabe, did you poop in your pants? You're standing on the potty, but you pooped in your pants. You like those? You want me to cut your nails?
No.
Why? Alright, let's get changed. Come on. Are you charging your phone? Cool.
Up there.
Yeah, it goes in there. That's right. You're so smart, buddy.
Open?
Yeah, but that's not the right charger for your phone. That charges Mommy's phone.
I love you.
I love you too, Zach. Good luck. Say bye, Daddy. Good luck.
Good luck, Dad.
Good luck on your test, Daddy. Love you. Be careful.
Daddy.
Be careful.
Daddy want me a hug or kiss.
I know. Daddy's in a hurry, though. I'll give you a hug and a kiss. Come here. I love you. Oh, my good boy. I love you.
Daddy didn't.
He didn't give you a hug and a kiss? You can have one later, okay? He's got to go take his tests right now. I'm glad you're over it. That was fast.
Me, Weasel.
Easy, easy, easy.
Me, Squeezel, good vibe. Me, Squeezel, good vibe.
I think he's pushing you off of him. Oh, easy, Gabe. You can't jump on him, honey. Tickle him. Show me how you tickle him.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
He's laughing. Tickle him, honey.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Yes, he is. He's laughing.
Got boogers.
Oh, okay, I'll wipe you off. So not ready to have a mobile baby. I had him in that boppy, and he wormed out, went here, and then rolled over a couple times. And now he's pissed off because he's on his belly. But nobody told you to get on your belly and roll across the room. I don't want you over there either. I like you to be where I put you. Why you gotta move already, man? You're just 4 months. Alright, I'll help you. But stop moving.
I'm sit in my seat.
You gotta sit in your car seat, that's right. You can sit in the front seat for now, buddy, because we're not driving.
Because I am not driving.
No, we're not driving.
Is that a big tail?
That is a big chair, yep. Are we waiting for Jessica to get off the bus?
It's soaking wet.
It is soaking wet because it's been raining all day long.
Because it's raining it.
All day long it's been raining.
That is his crayon.
Your crayon?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Mia, some soda.
No, that's old, buddy.
That's old.
Mm-hmm.
You drink it. Uh-oh.
Yeah, it is. You got it. Good job, Luke. You playing with your toys, buddy? Watching TV? Are you looking at the fan?
Isn't that fun? Washing you can't.
Especially on this silk blanket.
Yeah. You're like all ice.
Go, Luke.
His hair is coming.
It is. It's growing a little bit. He was like bald for a little bit. Looks like it's coming in.
Gonna be light.
Like Gabriel's.
Yeah.
Are you playing?
So you tell Dora. We have to go.
Put them on his feet, buddy.
Man,